Good Saturday. It's Saturday. We're not drinking yet. I'm gonna drink later and then we'll talk about some flatware. Today we're talking about balls. These are a little dusty. I hate this. This is a Kensington wireless trackball meant to replace these. I hate it. There's a good chance you're not using a trackball. I've been using a trackball since the 90s. My first trackball was a white Kensington I found in a thrift shop. I'll find a picture. Show the picture! I ended up giving that to a friend, and I've been using Logitech, since the 90s. In their infinite wisdom, they decided to stop making them. This is my emergency mouse. In case I can't use a trackball, I have an emergency mouse. Why would anyone want to use this piece of crap? Let me just show you something. With a trackball, you can move the mouse around just by your fingers. Click, move. Click, move. You take one of these and you have to move and lift, move and lift, move and lift. It's a piece of crap. I'm telling you. Maybe the Kensington Orbit would have been better. I meant to get the wired one here. There's something weird about the little rollers in here that get really clogged up and dirty, making the ball to kind of jump around. In the old Logitech, I've never had the mouse ball jump around and get stuck. I'm complaining because Logitech doesn't make these anymore. This is one of the last ones they made. It just says Logi, and it came in a plastic package, where these used to come in a nice, beautiful box. They are price gouging these new in a box now for about $160 up. Yeah, maybe $120, but I saw one sell for like $160. I'm not kidding. Used ones are selling for $30, $40. Ugh. The problem with these is the switches go bad. If you're in a calculator, you'll press a 2 and you'll get like 222. When the switch starts to go bad here, I take this switch that's underneath this button and I put it for that button. Or I take this switch and put it for this button. Usually this button doesn't go bad because it gets less action. The older ones lasted longer than the newer ones. We got a thingy. I'm going to try and salvage this one more time. I bought some switches on Amazon. Very cheap. I think it was under $10 for 6 switches. Now let me just show you some of the problems we have. Pause it. Let's open it up. I want to work on the older one. It says Logitech, not Logi. There's a hidden screw under this panel, just so you know if you want to open it up. This is my last ditch effort. Otherwise I'm going to have to find another mouse. I love trackballs. Come on, there you go. Come on, where's the mag glass? I just had it. Gracie, I just had the mag glass. The problem we run into when you're replacing these switches, there's a little tab there. You have to bend it back to release this. It doesn't like that. And you might get away with it a couple of times. You know what? Let's remove the cord. Let's get the cord out. This tab. You have to bend it back to release this, and sometimes it doesn't want to go back in place. That doesn't want to go down, so we're going to have to use some hot glue to hold it in place. Let's remove the switch and put a new switch in. Maybe we'll get lucky. Made in Taiwan, Radio Shack. I've had this a long time. I'm surprised the rubber ball has not cracked. Let's let her heat up and we'll be back. Let's take a look at these switches. What are these? OMRON? OMRON? I love these. Mises. All right, we'll remove both switches. Almost. Ha ha ha! Ha ha! One down. Oh, there was a lot of solder on that one. Ha ha! Hee hee hee! We've got some soldering paste. Take a toothpick. We're going to wipe the contacts with it. Take a little bit. Just dab some on there. Drop. I've got to get my visor, my close-up visor. Little soldering paste on the switch itself. Little goes a long way. Okay, that's one. Okay, that's two. Nope. There you go. Don't get mad, I put solder on the tip. That's one. That's two. That's three. I'm just going to put a dab of glue where that is, and maybe it'll help keep it in place. Right there. That's it. All right, that should keep it from rattling around. Nope. Nope. Yep. Nope. Yep. That in. That's in. Dab of glue. And done. And blow. Make sure that the cord goes under the circuit board. Wire gets tucked in there. There you go. Snapped in place.
Do the center screw first. Do we get a click? We get a click? Click, click. Unscrew. Back screw. I don't know how old this one is. It's not that old. Let's see. Click, click, ball. Let's see if she works.
Get out of there, you! Camera's never over in my living room. Let's try our mousey. Oh, oh. Got hair on it. Oh, so beautiful. My precious, my precious. What am I gonna do when you're gone? Let's hook her up. All right, we unhook the wireless. I gotta clean the back of this. You're out, and you're in. It's plugged in. Hold on, let me just see if I have a mouse. Oh, I have a mouse. I'm gonna switch to screen capture. This is my KDEN Live. Oh, okay. Let's see. All right, this is I'm working on the video here. Let's minimize it. Let's open up the calculator. Now let's type in 2. Hey, 222. See what used to happen? I'd click 2 and the switch would give me 222. And I'd have to get rid of stuff. So far, so good. We are in E17 Bodhi. We are in Bodhi Linux. Let's open up GIMP. Let's open up a picture. I'm working on making a vintage Hormel chili can from the 1950s. I'm recreating this can from the 1950s. Why? I don't know. Do you want to see a sample? Okay. Where's a sample? Ha 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 ha. Ah ha ha ha. And that's gonna go on the can. That's so funny. That's so funny. Maybe that'll be next week. I have to buy some chili now. Hey, it seems to be clicking. Oh, I hope this lasts a while. It may not. Here we got the old Hormel can. And Mary Kitchen roast beef. We may try to reproduce these meals. You know, you got some gherkins and carrots and lettuce and dinner rolls with the old can. Thanks for joining me this Saturday. I'm not drinking today. We'll be drinking tomorrow. All right? All right. Thanks for watching. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching.